Hello everyone, this is Charlie Flores. I'm a realtor with Herron Real Estate. Today I'm out here in the Seven Pines community located in Jacksonville, Florida. Today we're going to be taking a look at this quick move-in by ICI Homes. This is the Victoria floor plan and this home is move-in ready. Now you will see some blue and green tape. They are doing the final touches, but if you're looking to bypass the construction process, this home might be a fit for you. Now I would be happy to assist you in your new home journey. So if you're looking for a quick move-in or looking to move to the Jacksonville area, feel free to give me a call, shoot me a text or an email, and I'd be happy to assist you. Now here we are walking in to the home. We have LVP flooring, and here we enter the common living area. You have lots of natural light with these windows. And this home features 4 bedrooms, 3 baths, a 3-car garage, and has approximately 2,914 square feet. This home has been staged, giving us an idea of the space and how we can decorate. Now we're going to continue the tour over here. We're going to be entering bedroom number 4. Now there is 1 bedroom here on the first floor, and then the rest will be on the second floor. Now you do have 8-foot doors, interior doors on the first floor, and then you have 10-foot ceiling heights. Of course, in the common living area, as we just saw, you're gonna have the 20-foot ceiling heights. Now here, this bathroom features a shower tub combo with tile all the way up to the ceiling. Here you have a linen closet. Just past the living room, we have the dining room. You have some transom windows allowing for additional natural light. You have sliders. We're going to take a look at the backyard. All right, and here we have a nice size lanai. You do have your pre-plumbing there for a sink, outlet, and then a gas stub over here. So if you wanted to have an outdoor kitchen, summer kitchen built after closing, you have the setup there. Now this is a nice wide home site. This is a 60-foot home site over here. We can see that they've put in some privacy hedges, so those will grow in nicely. All right, so that was the lanai. Now here we have the kitchen. We have quartz countertops. You do have the cabinetry going around the island. You have your gourmet kitchen set up over here. You have the microwave oven combo, herringbone pattern backsplash with your 5-burner cooktop. We see the under cabinet lighting and your stacked cabinets. This home also features soft close cabinets. You have your farmhouse sink over here. This gooseneck faucet. We'll give you a pan over here. All right, we're going to continue our tour over here. Here we have the pantry. Now over here we have our flex room. This one has been turned into a study. See the pocket doors here. And then here we have the mudroom. You can set up some built-ins here. And then you have your 2-car garage. Here's the closet at the entry. So you have your 2-car garage on the left side of the home, and then you have a 1-car garage over here on the right. Let's take a quick peek. And over here you have open railing, you have wooden stairs. See the blue tape there that I mentioned at the beginning of the video? Those are touch-ups for paint and drywall. Just ahead we have an open area. Now you can make this a reading area or a pocket office. We're going to continue our tour over here. Here we have bedroom 2. Now this bedroom is about 12 by 12 feet. You're gonna have 9-foot ceilings and then standard interior door, which is about 6 foot 8 inches. Here you have a shared bath with quartz countertops, LVP flooring. Then you do have the shower tub combo. Here you have bedroom 3. Take a look at a closet here. You have the laundry room. Now, Seven Pines is a natural gas community, so you do have your gas stub there for a gas dryer, or you do have a designated outlet for an electric dryer. You have your washer hookups there. Over here we have a balcony. This is a nice sitting area if you want to have your coffee in the morning or in the afternoon. Just take a look at the sunset. Now here we're walking into the owner's suite. Now this room is about 14 feet with 2 inches by 18 feet. You do have a tray ceiling. Here we're walking into the owner's bath. You do have 2 sinks there. You have quartz countertops, a standalone tub, tile floors. Then here you have your shower. Then over here we have water closet, and then the walk-in closet here. If you're interested in knowing more about this home, the Seven Pines community, or interested in moving to the Jacksonville area, feel free to give me a call, shoot me a text or an email. I'd be happy to assist you with your new home journey. Once again, my name is Charlie Flores. I'm a realtor with Herron Real Estate. I hope you enjoyed the video.